Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. 3 videos today, because was it yesterday? There was a day where I had only one video of ADA. So let's take a look at what ADA is doing. So far for ADA, we have been here completely on the right track. Mentioned to you here that all of this looked very much like a 3-wave pattern. No reason to become too bullish. Here, this wave 4 did what it was supposed to do, reached our target range, then we came down as expected in a 5-wave impulse to the downside. And a 5-wave move to the downside, 1, 2, 3, 4 as a triangle, and then wave 5 down. In my opinion, we are now in this 5th wave, in this wave 5, that should take us to below 38.5 cents. I think ADA needs a lower low. I'd be very happy with that because this whole mess just needs to be tidied up. So it would be amazing to see another lower low. It doesn't need to be a significantly lower low, but anything below 38.5 cents would do it. An ideal target for that would be 30 cents. That's the 88.7% fib level, which ADA has not even seen yet, which is actually a sign of strength on the ADA chart, because a lot of coins either came to the 88.7% fib level or dropped below it. So in my opinion, that's a sign of strength on the ADA chart. Zooming in here a little bit, I think we have seen, obviously, as I said back then, we have seen the high of that wave E. That is when the triangle finished. We then started to move down as expected in a 1, 2, 3. In that 3 wave, we broke out of the triangle to the downside, so the triangle worked out. And I think we are now still, at least we can see it like that, in this 4th wave. Don't have to change the wave count here. Also, it doesn't invalidate the wave 4 or anything. So what I told you in the previous video is still very much live, still very much possible. Could have been in the previous video that this wave 4 was already finished here, but we've now reached perfectly the 50% fib level, which is basically maxing out what such a wave 4 should do. It can technically move higher, but it will then become very unlikely that it's still a wave 4. What it could then be would be just another 1, 2 possibly. But at the moment, we can go with the assumption that this is a wave 4. If we go above 44.4 cents, my view would be that this is just a wave 2 until we go above 48.5 cents. So a wave 2 can retrace a little bit more, possibly here to 45.4 or 46.7 cents. Should it go above 48.5, it will invalidate this downtrend and we can look at something more bullish. If this is happening, then we have to count this probably as an overall truncation. Truncation is where this last wave down, where we normally should make a lower low, if we don't make a lower low because the upside pressure is just too strong, there's too many buyers in the market, do not allow that last wave to make a lower low. Now, I don't find this currently very likely, but this is what we would have to do if this happens. So for now, we all need to be on high alert that this is reversing to the downside. Technically, it can move a little bit higher, because only if we reach here that 45.9 area, the wave 4 would be invalidated, and then it can technically not be a wave 4 anymore. But usually a wave 4 would not retrace more than 50%. Therefore, I'm telling you, if we do it, it is not a wave 4 anymore, then we will probably have to count this as another larger wave 1 and a wave 2 to the upside here, which is then possible, which would though, however, increase here the overall downtrend potential, okay? Because if we have 1, 2, 1, 2, this will be quite a strong move down the next one. Okay, and that is currently my view about ADA. There's not much more to add. I told you when I will consider a more bullish scenario. Again, here, best evidence, that's important. Best evidence that wave 4 is finished will be a move below 41.6 cents, this swing low, because we can count this as an A, B, C correction, So a move below that level would would at least indicate that wave 4 is finished. Confirmation for that would be below the wave 5 low here, below 40.3 cents. And then we would make a lower low below 38.5 cents. Good, and that is my latest view about ADA. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership and also follow us on Instagram and Twitter. And for both of them, you can find the links in the description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.